I don't mind knowing about the future because no matter what happens in the future, just know I'll always be with you. 너의 시간 속으로. In English, it's called A Time Called You. I thought the mannequin was going to be a fun icebreaker. I guess I was wrong. If I get this wrong, I shouldn't be here, so. This is from K-pop Demon Hunters, of course. Do you know what my love for you and this credit card have in common? They both have no limit. This was a line from Sanema-san, a business proposal. If you come any closer, I'm never going to let you go. Oh, I think this is also from Business Proposal, no? No other project that I had this kind of corny line, so. I'm glad you're finally ready to talk, although you could have picked somewhere nicer for a date. This also is from K-pop Demon Hunters. The reason that boy did not come back for you is because he forgot about you. What? The reason that boy did not come back for you is because he... This is from Hong Chang-gi, the lovers of the red sky.